The truth is, ServerAvatar is really good for a specific type of person, but it's really only good for that specific type of person. So let's see if that's you. I'm going to be comparing ServerAvatar to Cloudways today. And this video is sponsored by Cloudways, but the facts are there. Some people are a better match for ServerAvatar, and some people are a better match for Cloudways. So I'm going to present those facts in a clear way so you can figure out which one fits you. The best thing about this video being sponsored by Cloudways is that I have a special link for you in the description below that gives a longer free trial plus an additional discount. So you can have even more time to figure out if Cloudways is right for you. So the big difference between these two services is Cloudways is managed cloud hosting, while ServerAvatar is self-managed cloud hosting. This basically means that Cloudways is going to take care of more things for you, like updates, security, backups, and server setups. So it's going to be way easier to use. With ServerAvatar, you're doing more of the work yourself, but in return, you get more freedom and control over your server environment. ServerAvatar gives you a wider option for cloud hosting providers, and you could even use your own physical server if you really wanted to. But with that flexibility comes more responsibility. You have to rent the server space yourself, set it up, and then integrate it with the ServerAvatar platform. From there, you will manage your servers and your sites from the ServerAvatar dashboard. You'll also get root access and more visibility to your server's inner workings, which is great if you're a confident and experienced developer. But if you're not, it's just really more opportunities for you to accidentally break things or misconfigure something important. There's a learning curve here, and it's not just WordPress level technical. This is actual server administration. Cloudways, on the other hand, makes the process way more easier and much more streamlined. You sign up directly through them. They rent the cloud server space for you, and then they set it up with all the software you need automatically. You don't have to touch a terminal window. You don't have to set up a stack manually, and you don't have to worry about missing a firewall rule or a server patch. It's much more of a plug and play experience. Cloudways also includes a lot of helpful features like built-in server monitoring, one-click application installs, staging environments, and caching tools that are ready to go. With ServerAvatar, a lot of those things are available too, but you will be piecing them together yourself. Now let's move on to pricing. Because Cloudways manages a lot of stuff for you, they do add a markup onto their base VPS cost, often about 2x for the cheaper plans, but it does become more cost effective as you scale up. Before that scares you away, it's important to remember that the smaller servers that don't use a lot of resources are really only a couple dollars a month. So when you are comparing pricing, it's important for you to think about how much your time and energy is worth. And honestly, on a small scale, Cloudways is actually cheaper than ServerAvatar. Let's take a look. So we can see here that ServerAvatar's lowest monthly plan is $12 per month, and then you still also have to pay for your cloud provider. So here is the pricing for DigitalOcean. And so we can compare it easily with Cloudways. We're going to look at the 1 gig pricing, which is $6. So for ServerAvatar with a 1 gig server with DigitalOcean, you are paying $18 a month in total, and you still have to manage the server yourself. If we're looking at Cloudways pricing, their cheapest plan is $11 a month, and that includes the 1 gig server from DigitalOcean. So in this situation, Cloudways is easier and cheaper. Now, when ServerAvatar starts to win with pricing is when you begin to have more demanding resource needs and you need to start working with multiple servers. Now let's talk about how easy each of these options are, and it's no surprise Cloudways is the clear winner when it comes to ease of use. We already talked about how with ServerAvatar, you have to sign up for your cloud provider separately and then manually set up your server. That means logging into your VPS provider, choosing an operating system, and copying and pasting a script into the terminal to install ServerAvatar. It's not hard if you know what you're doing, but if that sentence just gave you anxiety, ServerAvatar probably isn't right for you. With Cloudways, everything is automated. You create an account, pick your app and server size, and then Cloudways sets up the whole thing for you. No terminal commands, no server stack setups, no additional logins to juggle. It's that kind of simplicity that gets you back to building your website or working with clients instead of trying to figure out how to make PHP run faster or how to open a port. Cloudways also includes automatic daily backups right out of the box. You can restore your website to a previous state with just a few clicks. ServerAvatar does give you backups too, but you do have to configure them yourself. This might mean setting up an external FTP destination or working with your cloud provider's snapshot system, which isn't going to be as seamless. Maintenance is going to be another big difference. Cloudways is going to handle these server level tasks for you. Things like OS updates, security patches, and firewall configurations are all done automatically in the background. ServerAvatar gives you those settings, but you are the one that has to do the work. And if you forget or make a mistake, you're also the one that has to fix it. And then there's support. If you are a server expert and you rarely need help, ServerAvatar's ticketing or email-based support may be fine. But if server stuff isn't your thing or you just want somebody to help out when things go wrong, Cloudways has 24/7 live chat and ticketing support. And they'll actually help you troubleshoot server level issues. With ServerAvatar, their support covers the control panel only, not the server itself. So if your site goes down because of a configuration issue or something weird happening with your VPS, you're on your own. This doesn't mean that ServerAvatar is bad. It's just made for people that know how to manage servers or who want full control and don't mind taking on that extra responsibility. So let's finish up with a final comparison. Who is ServerAvatar for? Who is Cloudways for? ServerAvatar is best for developers that want full control, who are comfortable managing multiple servers, and need more flexibility for high resource or complex projects. But if you are not a confident and experienced developer, or even if you are, but you don't have heavy server needs, I would recommend sticking with Cloudways. Your life is going to be way easier. And as long as you don't have intense server needs, you're going to either pay less than ServerAvatar or just a little bit extra. And for most people, that's worth it to avoid the stress, time, and extra work it takes to manage a server on your own. So now you should have a good idea of if ServerAvatar or if Cloudways is right for you. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, I have a free 9-step roadmap that walks you through everything you need to do to take your site live from start to finish. And you can find that free link in my description below. Thank you so much for watching.